Hi! So, as requested, ito yung tinatawag na Nuud Dio. It's all natural. Pwede siya gamitin ng pregnant and breastfeeding moms. Wala siyang scent, and you only need to use a pea-sized amount. So, with this one, ganun lang siya, maliit lang. You just put a few. I've been using this tube for more than 6 months na. So, ganun lang siya. Yan. Ganun lang kakonti. And then, you put it on your armpits. Spread it well lang. So, wala siyang amoy talaga. Pero, what's good with this is, you don't need to reapply. You don't need to reapply in 5 or 6 days. So, mas tipid din siya. Tsaka, if sanay yung armpits niyo sa mga matatapang na dio, you will have to put muna every day for 1 week before parang i-detox muna niya yung armpits mo. And then later on, pag na-detox na niya, even if mag-swimming ka or maligo ka, mag-scrub ka, it's okay, andun pa rin yung effectivity niya for 5 to 6 days. So sobrang tipid ng isang tube. And we also have it in the Smarter pack, which is dalawa ng tube in one box. So, if you're going to try it muna for yourself, you can just buy the one box na $8.49. And then, pag nakita niyo na effective sa inyo, that's the time you get the Smarter pack. Yan. So, I hope it is effective with you also. I've been using Nuud for 2 years na now. And then, even yung mga breastfeeding, minsan kasi pag may smell yung dio, na nalalanghap yun ng baby so we don't want that. So what's good with this one is wala siyang smell talaga at all.